kissed a boy I liked in grade school. I left a girl alone in a room. My heart was pounding, it was what I could do, but my kiss was short and now I'm doomed. I never knew I had feelings that way. I felt my stomach sway and sway. I knew it was the start of something big. I remember when it happened. Unrequited love was all I ever knew, as I tried to make him love me too. But no matter what I did, the love I gave was slipped. The love I gave was slipped and missed. Slipped and missed. Slipped and missed. The love I gave was slipped and missed. A shy little boy with a heart of gold. A quick big glance, but then a giggle to show. Ne'er before had love turned up for me to see. Then my kiss just proved he wasn't like me. The rest of my days I was so blue. He never kissed me back, but it was something he could do. Nothing ever happened and I felt so alone. My heart started breaking, it felt like a stone. Unrequited love was all I ever knew, as I tried to make him love me too. But no matter what I did, the love I gave was slipped. The love I gave was slipped and missed. Slipped and missed. Slipped and missed. The love I gave was slipped and missed. Unrequited kiss, it was such a shame. I could not have both, it was such a game. I was such a fool, not knowing how to win. I was stuck between the me